morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your headlight. This is a 2015 Nissan Altima. This is going to probably apply to most Altimas. At any rate, take the wheel off first. I already did that. And these covers right here, take all the clips out to gain access to the headlight. I use these. They work really good, or you can take a flathead screwdriver and pop them out, but this grabs two sides, as you can see. You can pull on it. Down here, it's funny angle. There you go. That's fold that back. You should be able to pry this back just enough to get your hands in there. It's right there. Now, you want to twist to the right, or to the left, sorry. Most of them are to the right, but this one's to the left. And pull it out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, well, all the other pieces are down in the globe. There's no way to get those out unless you pull the headlight assembly, but it'll be okay. They'll just float around in there. Pull back on the tab. Unplug it. I already have the new bulb. It's H11. Now, when doing this, do not touch the bulb. You'll get oil on the bulb and it can blow the bulb. It causes a hot spot. Go ahead and plug it in while you have access to the plug. Push it back up there. There you go. There you go, it's in. Do not put your cover back on until you test the light to make sure it works. Because you could have an electrical fault too. The pigtail looks like it's probably okay, but sometimes when those bulbs blow, when the bulbs blow, it can blow the fuse too because of the high amp draw. So let's reach up in there and turn it on and see if it works. I'll stand on this tire. Let's see if I can reach that. Nope. Turning on the wheel. Yep, it's working. It's working. It looks a little dimmer than the other bulb, but it's probably because it's a different type of bulb. That's why I always suggest to replace the bulbs in pairs, because some bulbs put out a different color. We'll address that to the customer. It's not a safety issue. It just looks funny. At any rate, all we gotta do is put back the cover. I don't think I need to make a video on how to put the cover back on. You saw me take it off. Anyways, check like down below. Subscribe, please. Again, peace out, YouTube.